The secrets of Cleopatra revealed. For centuries, the enigmatic queen of the Nile has captivated historians and scholars, her life and reign shrouded in mystery. But now, the veil is lifted, and the truth about this legendary leader is finally revealed. Born in 69 BCE, Cleopatra VII Cleopatra was the daughter of Ptolemy the 12th Auletes, the ruling pharaoh of Egypt. From a young age, she was groomed for greatness, receiving an education in mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. Her intellectual curiosity and thirst for knowledge would serve her well in her future role as pharaoh. Cleopatra's ascension to the throne was marked by turmoil and political intrigue. Her brother Ptolemy XIII, co-ruler of Egypt, sought to oust her from power, leading to a brutal civil war. But Cleopatra was not one to be defeated easily. She rallied her supporters, including the powerful Roman general Julius Caesar, and emerged victorious. Her relationship with Caesar was both political and romantic, cementing her position as pharaoh and solidifying her alliance with Rome. But their love was not without controversy, and Cleopatra's decision to bear Caesar's child was seen as a betrayal by her people. Despite the challenges, Cleopatra's reign was marked by great achievements. She was a patron of the arts and sciences, supporting scholars and intellectuals in her court. She was a skilled diplomat, navigating complex political relationships with powerful Roman leaders like Mark Antony, and she was a powerful symbol of Egyptian culture and identity, embracing her African heritage and promoting the gods and goddesses of ancient Egypt. But Cleopatra's life was not without tragedy. Her relationship with Mark Antony ended in defeat and suicide, and her children were taken captive by her Roman enemies. Her legacy was all but forgotten, relegated to the dustbin of history. Yet, in recent years, Cleopatra's story has experienced a resurgence in popularity. Her secrets have been revealed, and her true legacy has been rediscovered. She was a woman of great intelligence, beauty, and strength, a true leader in every sense of the word. In conclusion, the secrets of Cleopatra revealed paint a portrait of a complex and multifaceted individual, a true legend of history. Her life and reign continue to inspire and captivate us, a testament to the enduring power of her legacy